Hello everyone, in this video we are going to use 3D tool in Adobe Illustrator to create these cool 3D circle shapes. Before get into video, do check my other videos of logo design using Gradient. Link will be given down in description. First create a new document, 920 by 1080 size, and create. I have already gradient here. I'm going to use this one. Now go to the shapes, select rectangle tool and create thin shapes. Hold shift, click and drag and duplicate the shapes. Press Ctrl D to make few more shapes. Go to Windows, select Symbols. Now select all lines or shapes and group. Click and drag to Symbols panel. Now select Ellipse tool and create a circle. Select Rectangle tool, draw another to half of the circle and go to Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt to delete the half. Change the color of circle. Go to Effects, 3D and Revolve. Click on Preview, Map Art and select Symbol. Click on the new drawn symbol. Click on Scale to Fit and Invisible Geometry. Press OK. Go to Object and expand appearance. Ungroup. Ungroup again. Release clipping mask. Now delete the shapes that were in the back. Select the circle, go to Object and expand. Select the circle, go to eyedropper tool and change the color of circle. Rotate and resize. This is how you can create 3D circles using gradient. You can add different colors. Thanks for watching and subscribe channel on YouTube. Thank you.